Today, I want to tell you about one of my fondest photography memories. One December morning, I saw some blue-headed wagtails foraging on the ground in the middle of a pomegranate field. The farmer had turned on his water pump, and water flowed through the foot-wide labyrinth of canals that irrigated the field. The wagtails were making the most of this water, drinking and bathing in it. I crawled through a field of 10-foot-tall sugarcane plants to get a courtside seat. Photography motivates me to experience life, represent moments as pictures, and share them with you. This is what I love to do. I'm Girish Menon. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos on bird photography.